Mattress Mac Gallery Furniture. I'm here to put truth serum on the price tag of the other guys' furniture stores. The other guys love a big, bold, good-looking lowball number until you hit the checkout. Suddenly there's a delivery fee, there's added on warranty fee, there's a fuel surcharge, there's an upstairs fee, there's haul off not gonna happen, and my favorite, processing fee, and they add 4% if you use a credit card. At Gallery Furniture, what you see is what you pay. You buy bedroom furniture, that includes delivery, includes setup, includes hauling off the furniture, replacing. Gallery Furniture is here for you. No extra fees, no games, no surprise add-ons, no gotcha at the end, no add-on warranty. Gallery Furniture delivers your furniture to your home tonight. We'll set it up in your bedroom, living room, or dining room, right where you want it. We'll gladly haul off the furniture you're replacing, and you'll be free of all the hassles, free of the extra fees, and you'll love your new furniture. Made in America, delivered by Gallery Furniture. Delivered, set up, and haul off your old furniture. All done today, free.